girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to Turner's Turn Up. We're going to take you guys on a quick review of our stay at the Hampton Inn NRG location in Houston, Texas. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
Look what you putting me through.
Hey guys, we are at Hampton Inn NRG Stadium, and I wanted to give you a quick review of the room. Starting here, we're in room 109, and we're starting here with the bathroom. And simple enough, you have all of your amenities here, 0%. I think you got a hand soap and a body lotion right here at the sink. You have your towels with this makeup remover that comes in handy. Really modern, updated sink. You got your toilet here. More towels. There's not a tub. This is a stand-up shower. So pretty standard for the bathroom. Nothing special, but it'll get the job done. You come on over here. To your left, there is a full body mirror. That's very helpful when getting ready. Okay, we have a king, I think. Maybe a king suite, I'm not sure, but I know it's a king. So we did get one bed, a king bed. And here is a couch. And you'll have your table stand there, which is always convenient for watching TV. If you're eating, you're snacking, you have a table here to put your snacks on. Over here, you got a nightstand with your Martin lamps. Here we have actually a digital clock, alarm clock. And attached to it, you have your charging. So there are USB chargers, and you also have your plugs. There's a phone on the nightstand. Let me see. There's a drawer here with the Bible. I wasn't sure if they had that anymore. And here is our bed. It looks nice and comfy. I'll let you guys know how it sleeps. Okay, over here, this is your TV area. Pretty nice size television. Below, you have an ice bucket and a Frigidaire. And this is a refrigerator. There's also a microwave. That's a plus because we didn't have a microwave in our last room and we was really missing that for our leftovers. Okay, these are some amenities. You have with coffee. This is not a Keurig, but you know, if you're used to brewing your own coffee in one of these types of machines, you do have that for in the morning or whenever you want to enjoy coffee. There's some extra coffee bags in here. Yeah, so you got so these are 1 cups. You have your decaffeinated and just your regular coffee. Cups if you need. Nice decor on the wall. This is our window. You have here. This is your heating, AC. Let's look and see if we got any sort of review, which I know we don't. Well, okay, this is just our next door neighbors. Don't look like a hotel. There could be some type of timeshare building, but that's fine. So that's what we have there. Hey guys, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe. We'd love to have you. Now we're at the NRG location, and so the event we're attending is there. So there is a shuttle that will take you there for free. I'm not sure how late it runs, but we were told that the last one would be at 7 o'clock. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready for that. I will let you guys know if that's the actual last one. She was just kind of. So yes, the last group to go to the stadium, the last shuttle ran at 7 p.m. However, we were able to catch him going back to the stadium to pick up the last group, which was at 7:30. So we were able to ride the shuttle there, but we did have to Uber back to the hotel later on. It was still convenient. However, we do feel like that was rather early. That's the earliest shuttle we've ever encountered. And
NRG
we've been
Stadium.
staying at Hampton Inns for a while now. Overall, it was a cool stay. We didn't stay very long. We didn't get to experience breakfast because we had an early morning flight. The only thing that I can say that was a con for me was that early shuttle stopping at 7:30, but it was convenient altogether just to have a shuttle. Also, I do want to point out that I always get questions about my orange luggage. I'm going to leave a link for you to be able to purchase yourself a set if you would like a set of the orange luggage. I really will appreciate you using my affiliate link. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. See you next time.
You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being unnice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner.